In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow biometrics on your Kuda app. So let's say you want to enable fingerprint on your Kuda app, maybe for transaction or for logging in your Kuda app. You have to use your fingerprint. That way you put your account on the safer side, so that even though if anyone know your password, they won't be able to have access to your account, or else they put in the fingerprint. So all you just need to do that is just log into your Kuda app on your Android or on your iPhone. The next thing you're gonna do is just click on more down below. So once you click on more, it's gonna take you straight down to this page. Then the next thing you're gonna do, just click on security right there. Then right here you see biometrics. I can see my own right there is already toggled on, which of course I can actually perform transaction or log into my Kuda account with my fingerprint. So I only enable fingerprint on this app. So if I didn't put that fingerprint, it might also ask me to input the password directly, but the fingerprint will be the first thing to pop up, and if I didn't allow that, I can actually use the direct password. So this way your account will also be on a safer side, I believe.